Hey, how you doing? You made it to the channel 14. Well, I always want to welcome you to the Bills Club TV, man, just to give you a little preview of what this is. My name is Jonathan Medina. I'm a stay-at-home entrepreneur. What it is a platform to attract other entrepreneurs and other leaders to be able to build a business from home. And like I said, man, if you was going through the channels, you can see that you got multiple channels that you had to go through. And all those channels are about entrepreneurs, six-figure earners, people that are out there really making moves and helping people become financial free, right? So that's basically what I do too. This is one of the platforms where you'll be able to go ahead and promote your business in these platforms and be able to get your business in front of hundreds and thousands of people all at one time through these contents that we share. So basically what I do is I train people how to be able to do these things. And it's one of the powerful platforms out there right now. But remember, all these platforms nowadays, they're all dry, and all you gotta do is read, read, read. And a lot of people around nowadays don't want to read. Now people want to see videos. People want to see things getting done for them, right? So now, I just want to go ahead and give you a little update on myself. Well, I was born in Puerto Rico. I'm 35 years old. Raised in Florida, West Palm Beach. Now I'm in Springfield, Massachusetts. And I love it, man. I'm single, no kids. Imagine that, right? So I mean, I'm loving life right now, man. I'm enjoying life. I'm traveling, going to different places. Right now, I'm in my home right now, just relax, just doing this quick video for you to give you a presentation about myself. I really love doing what I do, guys. I mean, I love training other people become entrepreneurs, become leaders. It's all about me. It's not about the money. You can see that if you see the background right now, you see money flying all over the place. Because that's what's going to happen when you join these opportunities, right? You become an entrepreneur and this money starts flying all over the place. It's not about the money. I just want you to realize, to understand that it's not about the money. When you come into the industry, it's all about building leaders. Because the thing is that when you build leaders, you bring more people into the team, and you build more leaders, and then from that one leader, you build more leaders, right? And that's I go for that. I go through that method, man. But I remember one time I heard a story of a little girl walking on the beach, right? And I got this something that stuck with me. And this is what I learned off of, and this is what I always carry with me to be able to do to help other people become entrepreneurs, right? So basically, this little girl walking down the beach, and a whole bunch of starfish. You start going out the water, out the beach, right? He's going into the sand, to the dry land, and she just started picking them up and throwing them all into the water. And she one by one, he's throwing them into the water one by one. And this guy came up to her and said, "Oh, why are you doing that? I mean, you're wasting your time. You see thousands of them falling out the water." But the little girl said, "That's something that caught my attention when I heard this, man. It's like the little girl said, "Oh no, the thing is, I'm grabbing them all one by one. At least if I save one of the starfish, that one starfish could go ahead and just multiply." You know what I mean? The whole thing, my concept about the story is that um, if I'm able to go ahead and train one person a day, one person a day, just keep training people one person at a time, one person at a time. Every time I train that one person gonna train another person, and that one person gonna train another person. And then next thing you know, we got a whole team of people, of leaders, of entrepreneurs. People are out there just branding themselves, showing love out there, and showing helping people become financial free. Because that's the whole purpose of becoming an entrepreneur. It's not about the money. It's like if you're in here for just the money, you're gonna you're gonna lose. You know what I mean, you're seriously gonna lose. I remember when I first started joining this, it was all about the money. So all I was doing was joining people, but I wasn't really training nobody. I wasn't really showing them how to be able to do this. And then I was just basically just losing money, because I'm not only losing money but losing myself, because I was just doing it all for the wrong reasons. But then I realized that this is a purpose. Well, my purpose is to help other people become entrepreneurs, and I really love doing it, man. Like I said, every day I do meetings every day with the team. We do trainings on Sundays for the team, and on Mondays we do the presentations. So I'm gonna show you the tricks and trades of how we able to go ahead and build our business, and how we get newbies, and how we get newbies to become entrepreneurs and really killing it out there, right? So the way we're doing it is that we do a training for the team every Sunday, man. Powerful training. I mean, you will not want to miss these Sunday nights trainings for the team. So we do Facebook training. Right now we stick with Facebook training because we got people that are joining from Facebook. But I do all types of training. I got them all over the place: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. I'm doing everything. But for the people that are joining right now, the new guys, the new people that join, we train them because basically the people that join from Facebook, mines are joining from all over the place. So what we do is that we train everybody to become entrepreneurs step by step by these trainings, right? So now on Mondays we do the presentation. So that's why it's always important for you to go ahead and once you get this platform, to go ahead and just I can say grab a hold of it and start getting everything set up. Because on Mondays what we do the presentation. So once you send out your link to your leads and to people that are asking info about this opportunity, what we do that presentation. And in that presentation, once they join that presentation, that link is going to be linked to you. So it's going to be a platform just like this, but down below there's going to be a chat box where they could go ahead and check their questions and stuff like that. But then it's going to be a button where it says "Get my system now." And once they click on that, you're going to be getting credit for that. So basically, we're going to be doing the presentation, we're going to be doing the selling and telling, and then all they got to do is go into that platform, boom, click on that join me now, and then boom, you're going to get that commission. So basically, it is what if you're out there with your family, you're having a good time, you're spending time with your family and stuff like that, and if you don't got no time to make it because you're either too tired because you're at work and stuff like that, you all you got to do is just send them to the webinar, and we'll do the telling and selling out now. Let me just explain something before that happens though, because a lot of people if you're only going to add 2 or 3 people in there, don't expect sales to be happening like that, because it's all about a numbers game. The more people you get in there, the more you can make sales, right? So that's the way it works. Now, the another thing too, now I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you my business opportunities, my econ. If you go down below, you're gonna see a lot of buttons down there. Don't be scared. Everything's gonna be named and everything's gonna be there for you. So my recommendation things as my econ, where I work for a company. I work multiple opportunities, but this is the one that I'm promoting in this platform. Where on this platform you're gonna see, or where it says my recommendation income, where it's gonna be my econ, where we help people build their credit, right? You got the company help people build their credit, show you how to build your credit, show you how to fix your W4, right? Where you don't even gotta ask your boss no more for no raise. All you gotta do is fix your W4, and then by next week, by your next paycheck, you're gonna get your raise. You're gonna be surprised. People right now that join this opportunity, they're getting raises back and forth, and be like, wow, they get $100, $200 raise, and they so happy and surprised. And then like I said, now a lot of people that join because of the benefits of the credit repairs and a lot of benefits that the opportunity offers. But once they realize what the compensation plan is, down below you're gonna be able to see all the testimonials. You can click on the testimonials, products. You can test. You can go down below and it's gonna give you all the explanation. It's gonna be another video explaining things. It's gonna be lovely, guys. If you go down below, everything is done by video. So that's the thing. That's another thing too, where a lot of people they get confused and they get lost because what it is that a lot of people don't know how to read right, or they probably can't comprehend a lot of things. But like that's why this platform is so powerful, because it shows you that we do everything through videos. We bring everything down to you through videos. That way you get the full understanding how it all works. All right, guys. So if you're gonna see a video about me doing some explanation, or you probably see a video about somebody else doing some explanation, but I'm always putting things in these platforms to help you understand what is taxes. How you can I build my small business with taxes? What are the different things that, you know what I mean? Everything's gonna be there for you. Just make sure that if you watch this video, stay inside the platform. That way you can stay inside I gotta say inside my platform. That way, if anything, once you join, you go to my Facebook and once you click on I'm on Facebook, add me on Facebook. Send me a message that you joined, and that way I know where I could train you at and show you the things that you need to learn. Another thing too, and then once you join, let me know where you learn from, because like I said, this platform goes all over the world. Right now, this platform is all over the world. So guys, remember, once you join, let me know where you came from, where you joined from. It was Instagram or Twitter or Craigslist or YouTube. So that way I know where it came from, and I can know what am I going to present you to, and what opportunity you joined too. Because like I said, I got multiple opportunities on there, and I don't want you to get confused and be like, oh man, I just joined, but I don't. So it's always good to go and let me know what you joined, so I can know where I'm gonna train you at and what team I'm gonna add you to. Like I said, I have multiple opportunities, so I don't want to get confused and add you to the wrong one, and you're gonna be lost. So yeah. So I mean, like I said, I'm in every webinar, I'm in every place. Everybody knows me, man. I'm all over the place. You probably don't know me yet, but you're gonna know me soon, right? You probably don't know me right now. You probably don't know me. Don't depends where you're at, and if you never seen nothing about marketing before, you're gonna know me soon, right? So God bless people. I hope that this message was helpful. I hope that I give you a little understanding about myself and how I work. If not, you can always inbox me if you want to know more about me. You can always inbox me. If anything, you inbox me, I can send you my number. I usually put my number down below somewhere. You're gonna probably go into one of the platforms and see my number in there somewhere. Or now you probably go see me on YouTube and see my number in there. I mean, it's like I said, I'm all over the place, man. So if anything, if you have any questions, add me on Facebook, send me a message on Facebook on Messenger, and we can take it from there. And like I said, down below, don't be worried about all the other stuff in there. Everything's gonna take you to the right place to watch. You're gonna watch a video. We're gonna give you a presentation of how it works. Everything's gonna be through video, so you don't have to get worried about that. Okay, guys. So God bless. I hope I see you on the team. And like I said, I'm trying to build leaders. I'm not worried about your money. I'm not worried about that. I'm already making the money that I need to make. What I'm doing is I'm trying to build leaders. I need more leaders. I need more people that want to take action, so I can go ahead and help you become financial free. My goal is to help you become financial free. Like I said, I'm already getting paid for what I'm doing. I mean, my opportunity is already doing what they're doing. I just want to be able to help other people become financial free. That's all I need. And if you're one of the people that want to take action, ladies. Sorry if I say guy a lot, because that's just the way I talk. But when I say guys, I'm talking about women and ladies at the same time. So I'm sorry about disrespecting anybody out here. But at the same time, I want you to get a full understanding that I'm here to build leaders. And I'm here to help people become financial free. But it's not about the money, because the money comes in anyway by itself. If you join, you don't join, other people are joining constantly every day. So guys, like I said, we're building every day. And once you join my econ, you're gonna see we got like 18,000 members in one of our groups. You know what I mean? 18,000 members in one of our groups. Imagine that. And just in one of our groups, and there's thousands of different groups that I join, and in one of our groups is already at 18,000 members. So you just imagine, there's no way that 18,000 members are not making money, right? So everybody's eating because, like I said, we built the platform to be able to help everybody become successful free. Because all they have to do is just join this platform, everybody eat, because you'll be able to get the benefits of getting the deductions on the credit. I mean, raising your credit, getting deductions on how can I say your elimination, right? You get your student loan eliminations. You get a lot of things that you go into the platform. You're gonna get a lot of things in there. So guys, God bless. I hope to see you on the team. And if you've got more, like I said, if you got more questions, just go ahead and inbox me. All right, guys. Sometimes I get in here and you start talking. I love what I do. So I'm just going to let it stop right here. Okay. So just down below, you're gonna see all the things that we need. All right. God bless.